Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can uncap FPS on CS2, and it really doesn't matter if you're stuck on 30, 60, 90, 120, this method should work, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on settings, make sure on advanced video VSync should be disabled here, and then go to video. Make sure display mode is on full screen. Now I'm recording video, so I cannot do this, but for you, should be always on full screen, and then select maximum amount of hertz here. And then the problem should be fixed. If it's not fixed, then you can close this window here or this game. Then right click on CS2, go to properties, and then you just need to write plus FPS dash max and 0. This will unlimit your FPS. If this did not work, then go to display settings, then scroll down a bit until you see advanced display. Then here select right monitor and then select maximum amount of hertz. Then find blank space on your desktop, right click on it, show more options, Nvidia control panel. We need to wait for a couple of seconds here. And after that, select change resolution, and then make sure, select the right monitor and make sure maximum amount here is selected. Then go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit, and then you will see max frame rate, make sure it's off. And then, as you can see here, should be a preferred refresh rate, select highest available, and then scroll down and turn off VSync as well, because it can cap your FPS. Only use VSync if your screen is tearing apart, but it's not worth of using it if you do not experiencing screen tearing. So yeah, that's basically it.